How to change TikTok account country or region. Want to change your TikTok region but don't know how? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to switch your country or region on TikTok step by step, so let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your phone, tap on your profile icon, go to the three line and tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and simply tap on language. Simply tap on app language and choose the language of the country you want. This helps TikTok recommend content from that region. Next is to use a VPN for some features. Download a trusted VPN app from the Play Store or App Store. Just connect to a server in your target country and restart TikTok and browse to see if content recommendations have changed. And lastly, you can simply create a new account with a local SIM card from the target country. And that's it. Now you know how to change your TikTok region and start getting content from a different country.